Sponsored by VSK Business Consultants. Website and Mobile Application Design FAQ. 1. Q. What design services do you offer for websites and mobile applications? Answer. VSK offers comprehensive design services, including website design, user interface (UI), and user experience (UX) design, responsive design for all devices, branding integration, wireframing, and mockups. Mobile app design, native, iOS and Android, hybrid, and cross-platform app UI, UX design, adhering to platform-specific guidelines, prototyping, and user flow optimization. 2. Q. Can you develop both websites and mobile applications? Answer. Yes. VSK has expertise in both website and mobile application development. We can handle projects from initial design concepts to full deployment and ongoing maintenance. 3. Q. What is your approach to UI, UX design? Answer. VSK follows a user-centric approach. Our process involves understanding your target audience, conducting user research, if needed, creating intuitive navigation, ensuring accessibility, and iteratively refining designs based on feedback. 4. Q. Do you consider branding in your design process? Answer. Absolutely. VSK understands the importance of brand consistency. Our designs will seamlessly integrate your Titan brand elements, ensuring a cohesive and recognizable online presence. 5. Q. Do you offer responsive website design? Answer. Yes. All our website designs are fully responsive, meaning they will adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes, desktops, tablets, and smartphones, to provide an optimal viewing experience for all users. 6. Q. Can you integrate e-commerce functionality into my website? Answer. Yes. VSK has experience in developing e-commerce websites with features like product catalogs, shopping carts, secure payment gateways, and order management systems. 7. Q. What content management systems, CMS, do you work with? Answer. VSK works with various popular CMS platforms, including WordPress, Drupal, and others, depending on your specific needs and technical requirements. 8. Q. What types of mobile applications do you design? Answer. VSK designs native apps for iOS and Android, as well as hybrid and cross-platform applications using technologies like React Native and Flutter, depending on your target audience and project requirements. 9. Q. Do you follow platform-specific design guidelines, e.g., iOS Human Interface Guidelines, Android Material Design? Answer. Yes. VSK adheres to the design guidelines of both Apple's iOS and Google's Android platforms to ensure a consistent and familiar user experience for your target audience. 10. Q. Can you integrate specific features or APIs into my mobile application? Answer. Yes. VSK has experience integrating various features and third-party APIs, such as payment gateways, social media logins, mapping services, and more, to enhance the functionality of your mobile application. 11. Q. What is your design process? Answer. Our typical design process involves discovery and planning, understanding your goals and requirements, wireframing, creating basic structural outlines, mockups, developing visual representations of the design, prototyping, creating interactive models for user testing, design implementation, finalizing the visual design elements, collaboration and feedback, regular communication and incorporation of your feedback throughout the process. 12. Q. How long does the design process typically take? Answer. The timeline varies depending on the complexity of the project. VSK will provide you with a detailed project timeline during the initial consultation. 13. Q. As a value Titan customer, Mr. Per Megasecond, Mix. Satya. Are there any special considerations or benefits for me? Answer: absolutely. VSK values your loyalty as a Titan customer. VSK is committed to providing you with exceptional service and tailored solutions to meet your design needs. Mention your Titan customer status when you contact us. 14. Q. How can I get started or request a quote? Answer: to get started or request a personalized quote, reply to this message with details about your project requirements. Contact our dedicated project consultation team at 9840336999. VSK is excited about the possibility of collaborating with you, Mr. Per Megasecond Mix. Satya. On your website and mobile application design needs, VSK is committed to providing high quality, user-centered designs that align with your goals and brand. Thank you again for your inquiry. VSK looks forward to hearing from you soon. Visit our website www.vsbusinessconsultant.in for more information. Stay connected with VSK. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow our WhatsApp channel. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Trust in VSK.